I already got my set off. What's up with you?
Bitch, I got fucking EGR. What are you talking about?
Why is his hood open? So we just rolling with hoods open now or what?
Yeah, bro. It's a Honda intake.
It's a Honda intake?
Yeah, Honda intake.
No way.
Yeah.
You got it off the CRX?
No, it's a Honda Odyssey.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, because it's a V6. Yeah. That's why you shouldn't buy a shitty Chevy.
Or Denali.
No, GMC is way different.
No, but mine actually runs.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Don't record that. Don't record that. I got your tools.
You get stuck? Just gotta put some light. Yeah, that's the hole you made all wrong.
No, bitch, that's the hole you made. This is my hole. Look at that.
Where's your intercooler? Is it right there?
My intercooler. You want to drill these holes?
No, I'm good. Yeah, it's faster. Hit it. Wow. Huh?
Today's your last check.
You work for me.
Not anymore. You work for me now.
Oh, okay. Is it your shop now?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're doing headers on this one. Has a built tranny. Stage 2. It's got a cam. You can't really see, but I painted the front cover. It's all right.
Bro, you gotta go way too long.
I broke it loose for you.
No, you didn't. No, you fucking did it.
You're capping.
Huh?
You're capping.
Okay, for the impact, man.
Are you kidding me? You got one more.
I think you did all 3.
I only did one.
You fucking weak bastard.
Are you part of Mexican Racing League?
Yeah. You wanna join?
I can tell because your truck's dropped. Hey, wait. The light.
Fuck your life.
The light. He's gonna saw straight through the light.
And that's a tacuache straight pipe.
It's cause you're cutting the welds a little bit, almost.
No, I was cutting double the pipe.
Like you can't hold it?
Yeah.
Little bitch. Damn, look, I already finished my side.
Bitch, that's my side. You haven't done shit.
I've been like working.
Bro, you literally just did this and you gotta grab the camera.
Yeah, Molly was texting you.
Mm-hmm. But you can't say that way because I got a girl.
Oh, oops. It's going on YouTube.
Oh well, show me.
It's scripted. It's scripted.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. All right, so we got the.
I'm just kidding. I don't got a girl.
Oh yeah, he can't have a girlfriend because he dumping all the money into that piece of shit over there.
That's my girl.
So right now we finished up putting the passenger side on, and then we're doing the driver's side right now. Once we get that tightened up, we're gonna lift it up, back up, and put in the white pipe and the wideband. You like that? That's snap-on.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, that's snap-on.
What about that one?
That's snap-on too. That's that new brand though. It's they changed the name of it. Damn, all these hoes still texting you. Alright, so the truck sounds good. Got the Flowmasters, not the Flowmasters, got the headers on, the white pipe, the wide band, and all we have left to do is the wiring for the wide band. But other than that, it's pretty much good to go. Sounds pretty good as you can hear. Top.
Where's the blunt?
It's in the passenger seat.
Where?
Passenger seat. What? Let's go. Let's go. Hey, go back some more.
Fat, bro. It can't get up.
Alright, so now we're getting his truck on the lift. We're gonna do a cutout, 3.5-inch cutout. You have a 3-inch exhaust though, right? So we're gonna fabricate it to fit the 3-inch exhaust he has on the Silverado.
Take this little fucking eBay bullshit off.
Maybe it'll fit on there, bro. No, mama's way. I'm gonna use that one.
Oh, okay.
Dude, just put the cutout on there. Where's the cutout? We got the cutout open on this truck now. That bitch is loud.
Nah.
Yeah, it is.
Quiet. Full master.
That's stage 2. Stage 3 I built. How's it been running?
Ya, güey, hazle casa, güey. Cásalo.
Huh? What?
Hazle casa, güey.
House?
Sí, güey.
Stage 3, bro.
Llamámelo, güey.
Bro, he's the one that kind of started JAT, bro.
You know,
Look,
he doesn't want a JAT sticker. What a sorry ass nigga.
I don't like stickers on my truck. Alright, guys. That's gonna, oh crap, I scratched my camera. That's gonna do it for this video. I have a cool video coming out pretty soon. We're gonna do a full photo shoot with like 20 trucks. This is gonna be really cool. So yeah. So guys, thanks for watching. This has been week 2, I guess. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Of course, I'll have some cool edits with those videos, and then I have a really cool edit coming out really soon with a bunch of trucks. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe down below if you want to keep watching more videos. I'll see you guys in the next one.
If you don't know my body, I pull up and then I flex. Ay, ice cold with diamonds holding on my neck. Ay. Fake niggas see through, you could call it X-ray. Real niggas